Morning, 6th standard students. I hope you all completed chapter 1 assignment on your history notebook. Today we are going to study chapter 2. Chapter 2, Early Humans, Hunters and Gatherers. Early humans were mainly hunters and gatherers. Hunters and gatherers. They hunted animals and gathered fruits, nuts, and roots to eat. Hunters and gatherers. They hunted animals and gathered fruits, nuts, and roots. The period of human history from 1 lakh BCE to 4000 BCE, when humans used mainly stone tools, is known as the Stone Age. The period of human history from 1 lakh BC to 4000 BCE. This period is known as Stone Age, and this Stone Age is divided into three. First one is Old Stone Age. Old Stone Age is also known as Paleolithic Age. Middle Stone Age or Mesolithic Age, and New Stone Age or Neolithic Age. The Stone Age is divided into three, that is Old Stone Age, Middle Stone Age and New Stone Age. The Old Stone Age or Paleolithic Age, the time period is between 5 lakh to 10,000 BCE. Paleos in Greek means old and litho means stone. Many weapons were made at this time. During the Paleolithic mean, humans made simple and crude stone tools and weapons in order to protect themselves and to make their lives easier. Shelter and clothing. During the Paleolithic period, people used animal skins, barks of trees, and leaves to make their clothing. Towards the end of the Old Stone Age, we can see some beautiful cave paintings. The important one around the world are like Altamira in Spain, Lexa in France, and Bhimbetaka near Bhopal. Two important things that happened during the Stone Age is that the discovery of fire and invention of wheel. During the end of the Old Stone Age, humans accidentally discover how to control and use fire. The wheel, which is believed to have been invented during the Old Stone Age, was one of the most important inventions of human history. You can see many Paleolithic sites in India. These are the markings. They are in Tamil Nadu, Handsingi, in Karnataka, Bhimpetaka, and Madhya Pradesh. There are many sites, Paleolithic sites in India. The Middle Stone Age or Mesolithic Age is between 10,000 and 800 BCE. Many of the sites are located in Rajasthan, southern Uttar Pradesh, northern India, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, and Karnataka. During the Middle Stone Age, there was a change in their lifestyle. The dog was the first animal to be tamed during this period. During this period, a new type of tool was used by the people, that is microlithics, very small stone tools. Microlithics had sharp edges and were typically less than 3 cm in size. They were mainly used in arrows and spears. At this time, they also used hooks for to improving fishing hooks, then hunting, bow and arrow. All this made their life easier for the people. Neolithic age started 8000 to 4000 BC. Between Neo means new. Next period is Chalcolithic age, 4000 to 2000 BCE. Chalcos means copper and lithos means stone. So this period is also known as Copper Stone Age. At this period, people also invented plow, wheeled cart, and sailboat. They also discover how to mix metals and get stronger tools, vessels, and weapons. Many Stone Age sites dating from 1 million to zero point 0.7 million years ago are densely concentrated in central India and the southern parts of Eastern Ghats. The early hunter-gatherers avoided areas of heavy rainfall and dense vegetation. They preferred the semi-humid regions of Deccan and open woodlands rich in plant and animal. Some of the oldest sites discovered in India are the Hansingi and Bajpel valleys in Karnataka. Many tools found here consist of chopping tools, hand axes, blades and flakers. They were made out of limestone and granite. These tools were most probably used for a variety of functions like hunting, killing and skinning animals, digging roots and processing the process of plant food and making wooden tools and weapons. We get many information about the Stone Age through many paintings and drawings in caves and cave walls of the caves. So here are some filling the blanks. The old Stone Age is known as Dash. The period of transition between the old and the new Stone Age is known as the Dash. The wheel is believed to have been invented in the Dash Age. During the Dash period, people started building houses with sticks, twigs and mud. One of the oldest archaeological sites found in India is Dash Valley in Karnataka. Human evolution, true or false? Human evolution occurred within a very short span of time. Old Stone Age people lived in caves and natural rock shelters. In the Old Stone Age, humans were hunters and gatherers. People of the Stone Age had no interest in arts. Number 5. Neolithic humans started farming and herding. Number 6. In the Chalcolithic period, humans used only metals. Answer in brief. Number 1. Why is Stone Age called so? Number 2. What are the 3 divisions of Stone Age? 3. What are the sources of our knowledge of the Stone Age? Number 4. Why did the old Stone Age people have to move from place to place? What was natural change that occurred around 900 BC? How did it help the humans who lived then? So this much question answer. Try to answer. Try to find out the answers. Check it, find out, and write in one notebook. All of you, thank you and have a nice day.